Hi guys and welcome back. If you want to record calls on your Samsung S25 Ultra and you don't know how to do it, watch this video till the end, and by the end of this video you're going to know how to record calls. So the first thing you need to do is to open the call application, tap on the three dots right here, then go to settings. In the settings menu you will find record calls here. So all you need to do is to tap on it. Here, auto record call, you need to enable this option. So once you enable it, you can see all calls called with unsaved number, with specific number. You can choose all calls except specific numbers. So you can choose the preferred setting for yourself, that what you want. Once you select that, all the calls, if you selected all calls will be recorded. So guys, this is it. This is how you can record call on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.